Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from IFFCO. Yes, when you will go to the official website of IFFCO.in the career sections, you can see one latest update is there. Vacancy advertisement for the post of GEA 2024. Yeah. Okay, when we will click here, so this will be open. Let's check it out, the details. So first of all, IFFCO stands for the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, and they are going to recruit for the graduate engineer apprentice. Okay, here what is the essential qualification required? So the candidate should have 4 years full-time bachelor's degree in engineering from university or institute recognized in the chemical, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation and electronics and civil. Okay, so these branches are applicable. First of all, the next is the general OBC candidates having minimum aggregate of 60% marks, and SC/ST candidates, if they are having 55% marks, then they are eligible to apply. Okay, who scores CGPA and BTech degree should convert into percentage, so you can just convert your CGPA also. Now the next thing is candidates who have passed their degree in 2021 and thereafter can only apply. So this is an important thing, ki if you are pass out in 2021 or after, that is only applicable, means 22, 23, 24 like this. Now one more thing, those candidates whose final semester results are expected by August 2024 can also apply. So if you are in the final year or you are waiting for your result, which will come in month of the August, okay, August 2024, then also you can eligible. Candidates who have undergone apprentice training or having job experience for a period of 1 year or more after attending the above qualification are not eligible to apply. So if you are already having the apprentice here, or if you are already having the job experience, then it's not applicable. When we are talking about the upper age limit, so here it's clearly mentioned that the upper age limit is 30 years as on the 1st July 2024. And yes, the age relaxation is here for the reserve categories. You can check it out. Location at any of the IFFCO plants located pan India. However, the position transferable in any of the existing or future. This is very clearly mentioned. Okay. Training period, selected candidates will undergo apprenticeship training for a period of 1 year. It must be clearly understood that it is purely an offer for apprentice training for 1 year under this one. So this is not a permanent job. First of all, this is a GAE, graduate apprentice engineering. Okay, so that is the training period only. It does not guarantee employment in IFFCO. That is also clearly mentioned. Okay, yeah. So during this one, they will give you the stipend also. During this apprenticeship, they will give you the stipend also. The stipend and other benefits will be paid as per rules of the organization during the apprenticeship period. Presently, the stipend is rupees 35,000 per month, dear students. Okay. So the next is selection procedure. To eligible candidates will be required to appear for CBT. Okay, they are having the preliminary computer-based online test in open environment by using their own resources, computer, laptop with internet facility. Okay. The next is the candidate shortlisted based on the performance in the preliminary online test will be called for final online test in the control environment at the designated centers at Ahmedabad. Okay, so this is first thing, you need to give the test first from your own center, means from own place, and then if they will shortlist you on the basis of your result, and then they will call you for the one more CBT. Okay, and the centers are mentioned here: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar. You can just check it out. Candidates are required to opt any 2 test centers in order of their preference. Okay, G. Now medical examination will be there. How to apply? This is the, here you can see, you need to go to this link and then here click to apply, and you can just follow the procedure. Okay, the one very important thing is last date for applying is 31st July 2024, dear students. So for more details, you can check it out, the official website, official PDF, and you can just read each and every detail. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.